Total Comfort Mechanical serves both residential and commercial customers in Burlington, Massachusetts and surrounding New England locations. We take pride in making customers exceptionally pleased on each and every job. From our very first meeting to the end of your project, we pledge to meet your comfort needs and exceed your expectations. Total Comfort Mechanical also specializes in Mitsubishi ductless mini-split air conditioners. The advantages of mini-splits are their small size and flexibility for zoning or heating and cooling individual rooms. Fully licensed and insured and accredited by the Better Business Bureau, we offer our clients competitive pricing, superior quality, and strive to keep you in total comfort. We are Total Comfort Mechanical.